Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this Flappy Bird game which has the Angry Bird character in it. The game will show the score in the top left of the window. This game is made possible by importing Pygame, a Python module which allow you to make games like this. It also gives us the collision score if we made a collision. It's a simple game, so without further ado, let's get started. This video is sponsored by Thomson Electronics. They are the best dealers in commercial supplies of electronic components in India with high quality products and a wide variety of category to choose from. This is the Python code for the game. First I have imported the Pygame, and from random variable we import a random integer. Then I initialize pygame.int, which would initialize the pygame. Then I set the display equal to pygame.display.setMode, and the display would be converted to 320 by 568 pixels. As you can see, I have mentioned over here. Then I define the text equal to pygame.font, and font variable would be none. Then we set the background and the bird. Background will be br.png and bird.png. This is the background and this is the bird png. As you can see, these are the two images which we gonna use in the code. I initialize that. Then I set the pole width would be 70. Then I set the pole gap for 140. Then pole in x direction 320 and the bird would be a size of 20. Then I set top pole height equal to random variable of 100 by 400. We set it as random integer. Then I set the pole color. You can select any color as you can see. Then I set the bird in x direction and bird in y direction. Then I set the clock variable. Clock equal to pygame.time.clock. While this condition is true, then I set the pygame.event.get the key. If a key is pressed, for controlling the game, I have used spacebar to stop, arrow keys to move up and down, and we get the key which was pressed and save it to variable keys. If the condition or else if the condition, if the key is pressed up key, the bird will move in y direction. If the key is pressed down key, the bird will move in x direction. Then I set the display.build, the bird of x direction and bird of y direction. It will be saved to the variable pole xy and pole x of -3. That's the size of the variable. Then I defined if pole x is less than the pole x width, and the pole x variable would be saved and pole x equal to 320. Then I set the pygame draw a rectangle pole with the size width which has been saved, and also we would write to pole width equal to 568. Then we set that. Then we enter the collision section. Inside the collision section, if pole of x bird plus 50 and pole of y bird equal to the pole width, and we set the pole height top of the bird with the pole height of the height plus pole gap, and we set the score. If that exists, we print as collision, and we set the collision value over here and we print it using the print variable. Then we set the score test equal to test.render the score with the background color. As you can see, you can change it easily, and we display the score text, and the pygame display will be updated, and clock.tick will be 90. We set the clock tick as 90 to precisely counter every values. This code has 43 lines. It's a simple code. As you can see, only two variables are required. Then we have two images for background and the bird. Let's run the code. As you can see, a pop-up box would be appearing by Python code collision values, and you can easily move the bird up and down by using the arrow keys, as you can see. And also you can change the background color, which I have defined is a default color. You can change by giving the number which has been the pole color or the background images. You can also change the background image, which is br.png as you have, or the bird, you can set to any character as it is your preferences. This is a simple way to make this game. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.